Hello, let's see how to create a survey in One-Click Survey, where the respondents will be shown a certain website on half of the screen while completing the survey, and the survey we created in One-Click Survey will be shown on the other half. In this way, the respondents will be able to look and click on the website as well as evaluate it in the survey at the same time without switching between windows. After creating the questionnaire, the module can be turned on in the Edit Settings tab. Under Advanced Modules, we select Website Evaluation, Split Screen, and activate the module. Below, we enter the link of the website that we want to display. Then we choose the horizontal or vertical windows layout. As we can see, the respondent can click on the content of the website and complete the survey simultaneously. We can also evaluate several different websites in the same survey. In this case, the questions for each website must be on its own page, which is achieved with page breaks. Under Additional Pages, we enter the URL address for each page in the same order as we place the questions. As we can see, clicking on the next page displays a new website and a new set of questions. Now a respondent can view and evaluate multiple websites in the same survey. This was a display of creating a website evaluation survey in One-Click Survey.